we have seen that is in ASME B16.34 within the group number 1.1, which mainly designates the carbon steel material. There are mainly two types of material. One is in the casting category, there is WCB and WCC, and in the forging category, there is A105. So there is no grade because there is a single material in this specification. So this does not have any grade, any other grade. So material and the standard both are known as ASTM 105. So, and this is ASTM 216. So these two standard, ASTM 216 and ASTM 105, needs further look. These two are material standard, and as these are the very commonly used material, we should look into it more into this standard. Also, the WCC falls on the 216 category. So let's look at what the ASTM 216 contains. As you can see, this is the standard specification for steel casting, carbon, suitable for fusion welding and high temperature service. Though it is written high temperature service, here high temperature means temperature up to 425 degree centigrade, because we have seen in the ASME B16.34 table that this A216 can be used up to 425 degree, though it can be used up to 539 degree centigrade, but it is recommended that it is used below 425 degree centigrade. So this ASME standard, this ASTM standard 216 is a small standard. This is basically a only 4-page standard, as you can see, but it contains all the information of producing this particular grade of material. So as a valve design engineer, we no need to go into deeper into the manufacturing process. So what we need to know, we need to know about the this chemical composition of this particular material. As you can see, this is the table that we need to know. Yes, as we zoom it further, yes, you can see that in this particular specification there are three grades of material, that is WCA, WCB and WCC. Within these three categories of material, mainly WCB and WCC are most widely used. WCB and WCC are most widely used material. As you can see that carbon content in this case is 0.3 and here it is 0.25. So carbon content in all the three gates is almost the same. There is a variation in manganese. In case of WCB, the manganese is 1%, and in case of WCC, it is 1.2%. And all the materials, all the other materials have almost the same specification. So WCB, due to the slight higher content of the manganese, it is more corrosion resistant. So WCB is slightly better grade compared to WCB, though they are used almost interchangeably, but WCC is obviously better element than WCB. So this is basically what we need to know. Next, if we go into further pages, there is nothing more for us. So though it is 4-page standard, but everything finishes in page 3 almost. So what we need to know is basically the chemical composition that we have already known. Now let's see in again if we go to ASME B16.34, we can see that in this particular group of material 1.1, there is another for forging category. The commonly used standard is A105. So let's go to A105 and see what is inside it. So ASTM A105, this is the standard specification for carbon steel forging for piping application. As you can see here, it is clearly written forging, carbon steel forging. So here also we need to know only the chemical composition. This is also a 4-5 page standard. So known as a valve design engineer, we need to go deep into the manufacturing process. We need to know the chemical requirement. So as you can see here, the carbon is maximum 0.35 like other carbon steel material, and manganese is 0.6 to 1.05. So slightly lesser content of manganese compared to WCC, where the manganese content was almost 1.2%. So that's it for ASTM 105. And another thing, when we were discussing ASTM 216, there you can see that in this particular table, there were three grades of material: WCA, WCB and WCC. But in case of ASTM 105, there is only a single element. There is no different grade. That's why there is no separate name for this particular material. It is known as the ASTM 105 only. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.